lovely people. Hope your early beds are up and running. It's DJ Pips back on regular scheduled program. Trading with a GBP USD. My orange lines means my alert system. This blue line right here is my support. See, it fall right there. Yesterday, GBP USD was in a bullish run, man. From here, from 1.34500 all the way up to, what do you call it, 1.36776. So yeah, it took a long run, man. That's a lot of pips. Let me see how many pips that is. From here, remember guys, how I told you how to get pips on TradingView? You go to your left section, you click the ruler, then you always want to go from down to up, you don't want to go from up to down, so you get the accurate one. So that was how many pips. Wow, that's 248 pips. Alright, so if it was to come back down this same way, that's probably another 200 and something pips, which is not bad. And like we said, the pip is 0.01, so if you put in like 0.01, you end up getting like 200 plus tips. So I mean pips. So yeah, we're waiting for the drop. It already exhausted this bullish run, and the burst, it's time for the burst to take over. You always want to have your alert system working, okay guys? You always want to have your alert system working. It's the best thing, man. It helps you a lot, so you don't stay on the computer forever. So you don't just put in random alerts, okay? When you put in alerts, you have to trace every support and every resistance from the past and bring it to the future. As like I told you guys, history repeats itself, so what was done before most often happens again. So that helps you make your life easier when you're trading, okay? Let me check my Robinhood. I got something little going on there. The market opens in the next hour, so I'm actually not too familiar with stocks, but you know, I gotta start somewhere. So your boy, you know, I don't trust the other companies. I only try to focus on Tesla, and you know, the other one was Apple. Hopefully I can get into Amazon soon. So see guys, you gotta. Okay, so I'm not just doing Forex, I do stocks too. I'm also on TD Ameritrade. I'm up by 0.56. It was $58 yesterday. Wow. I decided to invest in a cannabis company. I don't smoke cannabis, but it was legalized in all 50 states, so it was only smart for me to, hey, it's better to not do it than, you know, wake up 10 years and like, damn, I wish I invested. You know, this is for your kids, you know. So as you can see here, Robinhood is up by 0.56. The market has not even opened, so this company is doing pretty good. Hopefully I can buy more shares. So we're thinking long term, guys. Hopefully we can get into, I can get into some S&P's indexes, you know, option trading. There's a lot to learn. Alright, back to regular scheduled program. Oh, your boy's up. So yeah, man, shout out to Elon Musk though. You know, he took a big hit. $14 billion in one day. Yeah, he's a strong dude, man. Some of us wouldn't even make it with that. Yeah, if you lost $14 billion, comment in the comment section what you gonna do. That's a crazy amount of money, man. So remember, guys, today is Thursday. Be mindful, market closes at 5 p.m. every Friday, so you don't want to leave your trade open, especially if you're intraday and scalper. So probably see if I can swing this another 200 pips down here. I missed this one, so hopefully I can make this time, make it this over here. So it might drop here or it might drop there, but we're trying to think long term. So let's see what happened in the past. Oh, wait a minute. Alright, let me see if I can get my colors back on. Alright, nice. I want my colors back on. I gotta go back in the past. Alright, so it went all the way up. It went more up than it came down. Yeah. So there's not a lot of pips coming down, but we're gonna capitalize on that. Make use of it. Got my lines. Now, just to help a brother figure things out. This ain't rocket science, man. With repetition and consistency, staying calm, working on your risk management, we all gonna eat, baby. It is what it is. Yeah, your boy got his jazz music in the background, man. Let's see what I'm missing. Yeah, I had a line back down here somewhere. See our little one. If it ever drops here, we know we're gonna go for a major buy. So always have your alert system, man. Alright, so let's see. We are trying to sell, place a sell. The numbers are running, man. Hopefully we can bounce back into positive soon. You know, stay calm and collected, people. Follow your trading plan. Just play your trading strategy. Never be moved off center. Calm and collected. Always wins. See what my YouTube. Damn. It went from $60 to 59.61. See, that's why you gotta think long term. You can't be looking at these numbers, man. Let the long term do the job. Okay, so still stuck at 98 subscribers, man. That's beautiful. I appreciate y'all, man. Most subscribers I ever had. Every single one of y'all. When we get them paper, y'all gonna get some cash up, you know, from your boy. So you know, hold on tight, man. We're gonna get there, man. We gonna get there. So it's just a little test for a morning run. I'll be back to show you guys how to trade for gold. How to trade gold is pretty simple, you know. You know, the big boys, they be doing this US 30, man. That US 30 ain't nothing to play with, man. You gotta have a big account, man. Then you're gonna be swimming in money. Let me find my other lines. So I got my alert systems. That should be good. Let me see if I can. Trying to edit the alert system so that it can sound on every day and not just one time. I'm gonna do that later. So your boy looking for that big drop. Let's zoom in. It looks like the red means the sellers. Looks like they're coming in. So let me do this again. Let me do this the right way. So we're gonna zoom in. showed you guys, man. Common collected always wins. See, the birds are back in action, bro. See, it was $21, now it's -12, -11. As soon as we hit the positive, we go for the kill. Every profit is a profit. Be grateful even if you made a cent. A nickel, whatever it is, be grateful, man. You made profit. Be grateful for the little things. God's gonna bless you with the bigger things. Your head. So yeah, so we zoomed in. Let's see what this guy's gonna do, bro. So yeah, the candlesticks, they're very easy to understand. Like you see how this red one is full. That means there's more selling power. You don't need to complicate the candlesticks. You just gotta figure out like if it's full. If it's full, that means there's more power in that position. And this right here is the reverse hammer. Usually it means there's gonna be a big push down. So we thank God for that. Let's see where this goes. You see my alert? It says alert, alert, alert. Because your boy, might be in the bathroom, and it's gonna help me remember, and it's gonna ring. I set my alert system for 1 minute. Don't do no 30 seconds, man, because you might be sleeping. You want 1 minute of hard noise so you can wake up and be aware. You don't want to just leave it like that, okay, guys? Like I said, I use Forex.com. They're very good, especially for swing trading. You see the number is going down, -9.62. It goes up and down, but it's definitely going down because your boy right here is the big boy coming down. Alright, so like I said, KOT Forex, Forex, sorry, my bad. I used to work at FedEx, man. I don't know why I said FedEx.com. So you use Forex.com, people. They're very legit. The customer service is A1. They don't play, man. I only recommend things that I know work for you. You see that drop coming? Because this candlestick right here is telling you it's full of sellers. See, I don't like to complicate my work. I keep it simple. Simplicity is key, man. Always stick to your plans. Never surrender. Stay consistent. And pray to God He blesses your strategy. It is what it is. You can't skip God. You need God. Okay, people. So yeah, later today I'm gonna show you how to use the Fibonacci. Actually, why should I procrastinate? While I'm waiting for that drop, you feel me? I'm gonna show you how to trade gold. So let's go to gold. So the key to trading gold, like I always say, first of all you need to have your alert system, your support, your resistance. So I'll show you. If you have all those things, the rest comes through easy, but you gotta use your Fibonacci because it'll show you the zones and where there's gonna be major sells and major buys. Alright, so you see I got my alert system on my gold. I got that bad boy. I got that bad boy on the alert system. Alright, so gold has been creeping down, stuck at the 1860s. Like I said, you buy gold when it's at 1950, then you sell gold when it's at 1950, then you buy it when it reaches. Sorry guys. So my support resistance from the lines that I drew, my prediction, well, it isn't prediction, but it is history that shows that it should be. Wait, hold on. Let me see my lines, man. My horizontal lines. Super simple. Very simple. So yeah, this is how you use Fibonacci, okay? I'm gonna show you real quick. Let me fix this one. I like to make sure it's consistent. It has a consistent look. But yeah, gold is gonna drop to 1750, then you buy it all the way to 1950. But you see right now, because it's consolidated, Fibonacci is gonna help you to to actually trade this. So you take your Fibonacci, and you take it from your highest resistance. Yeah, my bad. That's that's not the Fibonacci, man. We gotta pick the right one. Gotta pick the right one. Alright, so you pick the you pick the long position. My bad. Is the long position in TradingView, not Fibonacci. So I'm going to show you how to use the long position in TradingView to help you sell gold. I mean to help you sell and buy gold on TradingView. So it's not Fibonacci, it is actually the long position. So you use it from the highest resistance to the lowest support. So actually, let me expand it because it's all the way back here. Then it's 17. Wait, hold on. 1750 or so. I got it on my phone. I want to make sure I got the right stuff. Make sure I got the right stuff, man. Y'all know that song, right? Find it real quick. Be patient with me, y'all. I'm gonna find it real quick. Yeah, man. Oh yeah. 1500. Another less system. So the lowest gold has ever dropped was $1,500. Damn. Yeah, that boy went down, man. That was cheap. So yeah, let me. Oh yeah, there you go. You see, I got it already. So the lowest, you go to the lowest it's ever dropped. Then you go to the highest it ever been. So 1,500. Then 2,000, so we got that right. Let's see what this guy is doing. Alright, still waiting for that drop. You see that right here? We just gotta be patient, man, no rush. Alright, so let's see. Where's my gold at? Okay, so this is how you use the long position to trade gold, especially when it's consolidated. Yeah, man, consolidating. If it's being a bad boy, this is how you consolidate. You know, this is how you trade gold during those crazy times. You know. All right, so this is how you do it, y'all. Let me play this right here. Okay, make me feel that way. Oh yeah, you're in the game, baby. So you see this red zone? You also how I changed the colors. So let me educate you for a second, man. So like I said, the long position goes from the top resistance all the way to the lower support. That's how you capture the whole game. You gotta see the bigger picture when you're dealing with these things. Okay, so now we're good. Okay, so now we're good. So right now, like you can see, let me stretch it out a little bit. So you gotta stretch it out a little bit, right? Just to make sure, just to make it look a little more in depth. So you see gold is in the red zone right now. What you don't want to do is buy. When it's in the red zone, you want to be selling. There's more power in selling in this area when gold is so low because it's so cheap, so everybody's selling it. Okay, you just gotta sit down and figure out the right time to hit the sell. Okay, but hopefully gold will drop all the way down to 1500, so your boy can make the pip all the way up to 2000. Man, that's a lot of money. Let me see how many pips that is. Okay, so we go from here all the way here to see how many pips that is. Good God, that's 5,700 and wait a minute. Yeah, that's 571 pips. If you put $10, you make like 5 G's. That's a lot of pips, man. If you put $100, that's probably 5K. No, wait, $10, $100, 50,000. Man. So yeah, so gold has been consolidating below 1800 and 1860. So you want to be there killing it when it comes to the sell. You don't want to be buying it. So use the long position to help you determine whether you're going in for a major buy or major sell. So for here we're in the red zone, so it's a major sell. Once gold reaches 1888, I mean 1898, oh boy, yeah, then you buy all the way up to probably 2000. Then we sell it all the way down. So it's an up and down thing, when it comes to gold. So so yeah, man, your boy teaching you the game, man. So yeah, so you gotta improve your zooming in and zooming out game. So we got the whole thing figured out. So that's why you gotta see the bigger picture first. You capture the whole picture, then you start playing with the zooming in. So now, you feel me? That's how you do it. You gotta treat her nice like a woman, you feel me? So now you see, now we in the zone. You see that? There's more power in the selling. Well, a little bit buying too, but trust me, man, you want to be selling on this side. So yeah, gold is major sales right here. If you can figure out a way to do the buying, that would work, but trust me, you want to be selling on this side. So this will be your best time to hit sell on gold right now. Alright, so yeah, that's how you play with gold, man. Gold is like it's like your middle kid, he's not bad, he's not good, he's just got his voice, this is what it is. So yeah, I feel like it's gonna have a huge drop sometime in this week, probably tomorrow, man. There might be a huge drop down to 1810 or 1800. Like I predicted, it's gonna go down to 1800. But yeah, so sell to it goes down to 1800. Okay, I'm gonna be selling. So just this zone alone, I've made around $770. But because I'm new to this, I tripped and made a little mistake, and I don't see. That's the thing. You don't want to be chasing the money back. It's a lesson. You gotta move forward. So what do? Now we know what to do next time. So over here we go for the kill, for the selling. Okay, guys. So as soon as you see that red, go for the kill, go for that sell. Alright, holla back at your boy. GBP USD is moving back and forth. By 8:36, I should figure out what I'm doing next with it. So, but like I said, the market is active around in the morning for GBP USD. That's why people place the trade and they go do their own business. You feel me? I already made my educated guess. This is not gambling. Okay, so let me show you why this is not gambling, and this is why I have educated guess. So check this out. I can plan it. I can trace it. We've seen this before. Okay, guys, we've seen this before. Listen, it's done all this. It has done all of this. Okay, it has exhausted its buy, so now it's time for the sell. It's simple. So now there's more power in selling. You know, it ain't rocket science, man. I'm just kidding, man. We all start somewhere. I'm still learning though. So, come on. I'm so in love with you. Come on, lovely people. Whatever you want to do is all I need. 'Cause you make me feel so brand new. Come on, beautiful ladies. And I just want to spend my life with you. Together, yeah. So let me be the one to give on to. I forgot the words, man. And I just wanna spend my life with you. We'll stay together, loving you forever, ever, until the go to bed and you're happy and sad. Oh, good vibes in the morning. We'll stay together. Alright, y'all. Listen. Money is supposed to grow. You know, you save money, you invest money, you diversify money, and you grow. That's how it is. Don't let nobody tell you just save money, just invest. Do best of both worlds. Save it, invest it, let it grow. Okay. To all my young people, stop going to the clubs too much, man. Go at least once a week, man. You'll be going 6 times a day, bro. 6 times a week, bro. So save that money, man. We're doing this for our kids, baby. We're doing this for the kids, man. We gotta work smart out here, man. That's why I love Forex, cause it's not gambling, it's an educated guess, bro. It challenges you to be a better man, a better woman every day, bro. I'm telling you. No joke, bro. Yeah, man. We're good or bad, and you're happy or sad. So DJ Piz about to leave y'all, man. It's time to handle business. Alright, man. What it do? I'll look back at your boy. And if you have any questions, email me at JAYKAYDEE91. Oh, my bad, man. It's JAYKAYDEE91 at yahoo.com, alright? If you want to get more personal, send me a text at 203-997-3660, or you can highlight your boy, call me, man, if you want to hear my voice. See how you doing. Y'all trade in peace, trade with a peace of mind, relax, chill out, and I'm going to give you a secret. Don't tell nobody. DJ Pim's going to show you something. If you ever place a trade and the trade is not going your way, don't panic. You know what you could do? can swing it the next day. And how do you do that? Let me show you, man. You move your stop loss and you move your take profit and you balance it out. And what the secret here is you got to put it in a daily time frame or 1 hour time frame for more control. The 15-minute time frame is for scalpers, 5 minute, 15 minute. 1 minute is for the crazy people. I don't know about them people. 5 minute, 15 minutes is for them scalpers. 30 minutes is just, it helps you take a little breaks here and there. 1 hour, you have full control, trust me. So if you want to do that, 1 hour or day one, and you swing it over the next day, so you have full control, people. You don't need a rush, alright? Think of this as a savings account. Every money you put in is building your money up, right? If I saw you in heaven. DJ Pip's album coming soon, yo. Alright, yo. It's time to go to war and get his bag. All it back.